Hey, hi guys. So we're going to work on the opening exercise. Directions say to drag the percentage to match the correct sentence cues. The first one says, I am half of half. So 5 cubic inches of water filled in 20 cubic inch bottle. What comes to mind is this idea of 5 over 20. And there are 4 groups of 5 and 20. So we're looking at 1/4. And 1/4 as a percentage is 25%. For the second example, it says, I am less than 1/100th. 25 out of 5,000 contestants won a prize. So we're thinking about less than 1 out of 100. So we're talking about less than 1%. The only option over here that's less than 1% is this 0.5%. I am the chance of birthing a boy or a girl. Flip a coin and it will land on heads or tails. So we're talking about 2 options in this instance, or the probability of 2 outcomes, a boy or a girl, heads or tails. So that's a 50-50 split. So we're going to go with 50%. I am less than half, but more than 1/4. 15 out of 50 play drums in a band. Well, let's think about it. Less than 1/2, so we're talking about less than 50%, but more than 1/4. And we already stated that half of half is 1/4, and that's 25%. So we're looking at less than 50%, but more than 25%. Well, that's going to be 30%. I am equal to 1. 35 questions out of 35 questions were answered correctly. Well, that's 100%. I am more than 1. Instead of 1,200 expected to be raised, 3,600 was collected for the school's fundraiser. So we're talking about more than 1. And if we're looking at the ratio of 1,200 to 3,600, it would be that 3,600 is 3 times, not just 3 times as much, but it's like 300% more. 3 times as many would be 300% more. The next one is, I am 10th of a tenth. 1 penny is this part of $1. So a 10th of a tenth, if we divide 10 by 10, we get 1. So we're talking about a 10th divided by a 10th. That would be 1%, which is represented as 1% right there, okay? And this last one, it says, I am less than a fourth. There's that fourth again, and we already discussed how a fourth is 25%. So I am less than a fourth, but more than 100th. So more than 1%, but less than 25%. 10% fits that bill. Okay, go ahead and move on to the next slide.